Hey there guys, it's John Waite here. Thanks for checking out my review. Now before we get started with the review, if you would like me and my team to build your entire internet marketing business for you and stay with you until you get $10,000 per month, then be sure to check out the first link in the description. Now back to the review. So when you pick up this product, you're going to get my 4 awesome bonuses delivered to you automatically. Bonus number 1 is I'm going to show you how I get 250,000 email subscribers every single Friday. This isn't a technique, it's not a method. I literally show you where to go, how to pick them up, and then I show you how to mail them from a self-hosted autoresponder that costs between $3 and $12 per month. Now, bonus number 2 is I'm going to show you my free traffic method that I'm using right now in 2023 to absolutely flood my offers, my blogs, and my sites with traffic. Bonus number 3 is going to show you how to rank all of your YouTube videos first for your selected keyword on YouTube so that you can get a ton of traffic from YouTube to your offers. And bonus number 4 is I'm going to give you access to promote my mentor's own product, Empire. And I'm going to give you 100% commission throughout the funnel so you can literally promote it as your own product. So with that said, let's jump straight over and see what this product is all about. But before we do that, don't forget, if you would like me and my team to build your entire internet marketing business for you and stay with you until you get to $10,000 per month, then you're going to want to check out the first link in the description. And if you want to pick up this product that I'm reviewing, then you want to check out the second link in the description. And I'll see you on the inside.
Hey guys! You are lucky to be watching this today because what I am about to share with you will change your business life forever. You may miss out on a very important tool that will change your business from a slave to the expensive traffic tool to the one in control if you don't watch this. I will say congratulations to you because this is going to be your best year yet. Imagine this innovation at your fingertip at this time. You should celebrate. No jokes, this is going to be interesting, so pay attention. Imagine getting to know one of the first ever tools in the world that you can use to drive unstoppable traffic to your website, blogs, Amazon, Fiverr, Upwork, and much more without lifting a finger or breaking the banks. This means no expensive paid ads, no spamming or blocking, no failed ads or account suspension issues, no struggling to rank on Google with its messy algorithm, no costly backlinks. What you are about to discover is a free traffic generation app that sends daily visitors to your website without relying on Google rankings, YouTube videos, or Facebook ads. This has never been done before. This is an unslappable and unstoppable traffic generation animal. And yes, you can trust this. Introducing ResponseKraft, a brand new cloud app that allows you to finally leverage on Threads, Twitter, Quora, and verified Google News blogs to drive insane targeted traffic to your websites, blogs, affiliates links, Shopify stores, eBay, Amazon, Fiverr, Upwork, LinkedIn, Product Hunt, etc. in less than 60 seconds. ResponseKrafts will never bring unwanted or unserious leads to you. You are getting the best who are ready to buy from you and who you have been praying to have but couldn't approach them. With professional responses, you will be topping the list everywhere, you will stand out, and your answers to questions on platforms like Quora will make your targeted audience sleepless if they don't buy from you. You will be shocked at how people will be itching to pull out money and pay you for the way you dish out value in any post or comment. You can even send personalized comments to anyone you are eyeing and they will have no other choice than to buy or get in touch with you. We understand this game and we speak facts, so this is not a joke. The sweet part is, you will never have to do this yourself. This is done by our trained artificial intelligence and its accuracy is top-notch. If you doubt it, I have something to show you. This is my dashboard. Watch how I used this on Amazon and how many sales I made. I was shocked at how crazily fast this was, and it would be a sin if I don't reveal this to you. Heck! Is this even possible? Very possible. This works wonders in less than 60 seconds of trying. You don't have to be a techie to enjoy this tool, as its easy user-friendly interface is unmatched. Let AI work for you while you relax and enjoy maximum traffic and sales. If you are a solopreneur or a startup owner, this app is absolutely going to save you the stress of hiring expensive assistants or social media managers. Focus on your sales. ResponseKraft will focus on getting you the leads and responses you need. Don't you like ease? Don't you want to focus on collecting sales, cool cash from customers queuing to buy instead of working tirelessly for meager traffic? No one loves to suffer, and you deserve to sit back and allow ResponseKraft mind-blowing traffic sucker do the work. The steps are so easy that you won't believe it. Step 1. Log into the cloud app and connect your accounts. Step 2. Search for millions of posts across Threads, Twitter, Quora, Google News blogs, and many others. Step 3. Let AI generate clever, funny, professional responses for you to appear smarter and grow your websites. That's all, and you will never run out of traffic, which means insane sales. This powerful yet easy-to-use tool ResponseKraft will be on discounted price during the 5-day launch period. After that, prices goes back to $97 a month. Which means, if you're still seeing the prices lesser than that, today is one of your luckiest days. Grab this now, start enjoying ResponseKraft and say bye-bye to low traffic and embrace massive sales without spending time and money. Again, I welcome you to a whole new world of traffic and sales. Welcome to your boom year.